Prompts are the instructions or cues that are given to the language model to guide it towards generating specific types of output. In natural language processing, prompts are typically used to help the model generate more accurate or relevant text in response to the given task or prompt. They can be designed and fine-tuned to provide specific information or context to the model, and can be formatted in various ways to help the model understand the task and generate better output. Overall, prompts are a powerful tool in natural language processing for improving the performance of language models in a wide range of applications. The process of prompt engineering typically involves several steps or techniques, including prompt design, prompt tuning, and prompt formatting. Prompt design involves creating effective prompts that provide clear and relevant information to the language model, while prompt tuning involves fine-tuning the prompts to achieve optimal performance. Prompt formatting involves structuring the prompts in a way that help the language model better understand the task and generate more accurate output.